Okay. See the next one. So before starting any Bootstrap program or before writing any Bootstrap program, any downloads installations required, sir? Sir, we have to download and install the small thing. But previously, three subjects, we never installed anything, we never downloaded anything, but Bootstrap required, but not compulsory. It's not mandatory. With the downloads, we can work. Without downloads, also we can work. Both facilities are available. So first to see the with the downloads, what we have to download, sir. Yesterday onwards, what I'm saying, it's a framework, already predefined programs, right? Programs downloading required. That is only not special software. And downloading and you are expecting like as your Java.NET demo, sir. No, no, no. Small library available, library you have to download. Library is nothing but a group of predefined programs. Programs inside what we have, sir, ready-made selectors are available. Or CSS selectors are available. That CSS selectors we are going to using in our program, right? I clearly mentioned one point. We are not defining the styles. We are using existing styles. But where is that existing styles? Inside the Bootstrap library. So that library you have to download. How to download that, sir? Go to this website, sir. It's the official website of the Bootstrap. It's the official website of the Bootstrap. So go to this folder. There we have some links. When you click on the link, some zip file is going to downloading. This is official website coming from the company. Bootstrap's original website. Yesterday we also discussed the same thing only. So if you scroll down little bit, you have the download option available here. One option download, and scroll it little bit. Bottom also we have the download, sir. No problem. This is all information related to Bootstrap, sir. So when you have the free time, try to read it in future. So okay, first what we have to do, sir, click on this one, compile CSS and JavaScript programs. Again, click on this one. A small zip file is going to download it. Zip file. So go to your downloads folder. This is unzip this folder. Unzip this folder. This is folder unzipped, and we have the CSS programs and JavaScript programs here. These are the CSS supporting files, and these are the JavaScript programs predefined. Once unzipping completed, what to do, sir? This total folder copy into your project folder. This total folder you should be copy paste inside your project folder. Your project folder in the sense your root folder is available with images. How we are managing inside the images folder. So what are the project you are developing? This is ABC, and here we have some HTML programs, and we have already one folder here, images folder. for maintaining of images. This total folder also, this total folder, copy paste inside this and then start the uses. So this is one procedure. Downloading one library, zip file, unzipping of that file, then copy that total folder into your project inside. And where your HTML programs you are saving, in that location you have to maintain this one. HTML programs where it is available, in that place you have to maintain this, remember that. The downloading process. If I'm not interested, download, sir, because last 2 months onwards you shown everything without downloading only. Well, why again if download, sir? We have option available. But without the download, if you want to run the program, your system should connect always internet compulsory. When you are running the programs, you have to connect compulsory internet, compulsory required. Bootstrap we can also use without downloads also. How to use, sir? We have some fixed URL, sir. You just copy this URL and paste inside your program. This is CSS URL, link tag, JavaScript URL, script tag, JavaScript URL, script tag, JavaScript URL, script tag. So 3 JavaScript URLs. It's look like as long URL, sir. Haji, not our own URL, predefined. This you can get. Maybe you have the doubt, sir. You want to know already, then you are writing directly, sir. How? Where will get it, sir? Go to same Bootstrap website. You don't worry about that one. Here we have the libraries. You will see this one. I also copy pasted the same thing. I am also human being. I don't have anything separately like this. I also copied and pasted from here to the document only. But directly opening the website and showing here not correct. And this content I copy pasted into MS Word. I just formatted the data and explaining to you. Anybody doing like that only. I'm openly saying the simple thing. But faculty or programmer, how they know, sir, this option available in that language or not? How they knows? Any senior faculty, any junior, any senior employee, any senior programmer. One subject, one language released into market, and in this language, which option available and how they knows? They should read some document, right? I'm openly saying, Ante. Somebody they're feeling to say that one, I'm saying openly. Guntur. So 100%, yesterday, what are the information I explained to you? That everything I gathered from here only. 100%, because I don't know Bootstrap. I also learn from these type of vendor websites only. So, got a links available. Observe, no? See that one. I just used the copy this link and go to your program. Top of the program, you just paste it. That's all. 2 links copied. One CSS link, one JavaScript link. I just copy paste only. That's all. So don't think about this one. Just copy and paste it. It is avoiding to download and copying the folder, because this Bootstrap library already available in the Bootstrap server. The server URL is this one. Instead of downloading, I know the address of the server, so I'm using directly. You know very well, guys, sir, in HTML, these number of times we worked. Audios, videos, images with downloading is possible, without downloading is also possible. Same process follow here also. So first one, CSS URL. Observe your file name, bootstrap.min.css, external CSS. Second one is the external JavaScript, bootstrap.bundle.min.js. The file name, where is that last word? JS folder that is available in the disk, that is available in the Bootstrap, that is available in the NMP, that is available in the jsdeliver.net. This is the servers of the Bootstrap. The server provide maintaining that files. In future, if any modifications are done, the server is updating that one. In downloading, what is the small problems are? Today you downloaded the Bootstrap library downloaded, copy pasted into your project physically. Next month, they did some updations in the Bootstrap. That updations not comes to your project because your 1 month back downloaded library you are using. And if you use the live URL, they make any changes, immediately it's applying to our program also because of live URL. Your choice, sir, which one you want to follow that one. Okay, live URLs, we have to just copy paste operations. But what about the downloaded scenario, sir? Project already downloaded into our folder, yes, sir. This is the URL we have to write. Small changes comes. A folder name available and a folder name you have to write here. A general I place it here. Before that, a download with which name you downloaded the folder. That folder name you have to write here. Something bootstrap.5.3.0/ like this. Same URLs address writing only. URLs addresses writing only. Is it compulsory to use all these links, sir? Manually 3 links available after downloading and copy pasting. Even lively also so many links available. All these links compulsory, yes, sir. One small guideline I'm explaining. All the links no need to use. But so many people they're thinking that every link we have to write compulsory in Bootstrap program. No need, sir. That depends upon the need of the program. Suppose I want to apply only Bootstrap styles on my tags, sir. What are the ready-made styles Bootstrap is providing? Just these styles only I want to apply it, sir. The first link is enough, sir. Remaining 3 links you don't need to use. No need. Really, ఇది ఒరిజినల్ కాన్సెప్ట్. బట్ మోస్ట్లీ మనకు సార్ అంటే ఈవెన్ దే ఆర్ నాట్ యూజింగ్ దిస్ లైబ్రరీస్ దే ఆర్ రైటింగ్ ఇన్ ద టాప్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రోగ్రామ్. So many tutorials websites we have that problem. Even some documents also, materials also. When you are not using that library, no need to import it. Directly link tag, script tag, these all are including operations only. Next, I want to apply some Bootstrap styles. I want to apply and I want to utilize the scripting also what it is provided by the Bootstrap, sir. Then you have to use these things also. So second part of libraries we should use while working with JavaScript provided by the Bootstrap. The first one we should use only for the applying of the styles. So styles, this one is enough, sir. Coding part, events also I want to perform, sir. Then you need this one is also. Next, a small suggestion, sir. For total 4 URLs you are writing. And JavaScript, including JavaScript utilization, we have to write the total 4 URLs, right? While writing up these URLs, can I write in any order, sir? No, not allowed. Certain order only you have to follow it because those all are the interlinked programs. All those are the interlinked programs. So our programs execution order top to bottom. When you write the reverse order, you will get automatically errors are comes. So interlinked. What is that interlinking order, sir? And here is the order. In my documentation, which order I provided, in the same order you should follow. And it's an idea purposes, sir. The very first you have to write this one, next this one, next this one, and the last JavaScript file. If you change this order, sir, some of the functions not working, some of the styles not applying. So, sir, you should follow this order. So that only clearly mentioned here, sir. All these files listed above has have to be linked in the given order. Which given orders are in my document? Which order available? That one. Hmm? Next one. Some more suggestions, sir. When you're developing the bootstrap programs, so we should follow some another guidelines also. Guideline number one, sir. Write always HTML doc type. Actually, we don't need to follow this one, sir. For others, reason, on the first example onwards, every day we are using that one. So that is not new for us. But somebody at doc type they are not using while practicing of the programs. For those are the strictly warning. So your first line of the HTML program is there, doc typo. That is compulsory. Second one, sir. Meta tag inside viewport we have to use conformly. If I skip these options, sir, result may be immediately not comes, sir. Slowly comes the results. What happening, sir, and these missing lines impacting to displaying of the some styles. So as per the bootstrap internal guidelines, so you have to write the HTML5 documentation doc type tag in the top of the program, and inside the head tag use the meta tag also. Inside the head tag use meta tag also. Meta tag inside we have to specify the viewport. With total three guidelines. One is the order, second one doc type, and third one is the meta view meta option. Next, it is just a programming concept, sir. In HTML, I already said this point. How many you remember? I don't know that one. Division tag, container. Almost 1.5 months back and Gonda maybe concept discussed. Nearly 1.5 months. Division tag explanation time. I clearly mentioned when designing the original applications, original programs, every small content also you have to place inside the division tag. And I did the comparison with our supermarket examples also that time. That time our class running in this room. In this room while we are conducting the class. Starting days kada full crowd. Last days kada. How many remember a division tag explanations? Hi message also you have to write inside the container. Chocolates, biscuit packets examples also I said. What we discussed that one, bootstrap strictly following that one. My students following not a no idea, but bootstrap is the following. Simple. Yes, in bootstrap coding, if you want to display the hi message, it isn't tag compulsory. Bootstrap architecture designed like that. So everything through container only. Directly don't place anywhere content. Headings, paragraphs, a text box, a button, a image, a anchor tag, whatever it may be. Write anything, but should place inside container compulsory. A whole division tag architecture designed like that only. Why I'm highlighting that point, sir, and that is only I'm saying. So Bootstrap always uses the containers. If division tag is not available, sir, half of the Bootstrap doesn't work, sir. Half of the styles not applying properly. And some half of the styles not applying properly, and half of the styles is not applying. And you are not getting your expected outputs also. So container compulsory. I'm creating the login button, sir. Super. Place the login button inside the division tag. I'm creating one text box for enter the username, sir. Very good. Place this text box inside the division tag. So the complete Bootstrap is following the containers architecture. Long back we discussed, today practically we are facing it. How many types of containers Bootstrap using, sir? And mainly 3 types of containers using, sir. One is container, second one is container fluid, and third one is the container breakpoint. So first one is the container. Now what is this? These are the predefined classes. How you can say it's a predefined classes, sir? Dot available kada, every name before. Red colors, every name before dot is there. What is the dot significance? Class selector only kada. So this is the predefined class. This is another predefined class. This is another predefined class developed in the Bootstrap internal programming. Which container we have to use these in these three, sir? It depends upon the your interest, sir. Okay, I'll give the small information. As per that, you can decide it. So container and container fluid. So what is the difference between the container and container fluid, sir? When you use the container selector, the data, this is the container tag, sir, user tag. So for this one, we applied that class and your data is going to displaying like this. Container fluid also displaying the data like this only, sir. There is no problem. But what is the difference, sir? And when you reach the right side of the browser, data forwarding to the next line or data for continuing in the same line, it is going to change. And another difference, what's are between these two, sir? Container fluid, it will takes the width based on your content. Container width, it is adjusting the width based on your content. But container selector, what it is doing, sir, and it takes the fixed width. Every tag they have their own width, fixed width. Second selector, what it is doing, sir, and it depends upon your content, it is adjusting the width of the each element. And that is the second difference, sir. One distributing to the data to second line, second one, first one not distributing, and first one having the fixed width, second one is adjusting the width depends upon the content. Next, third one, no, breakpoint. What is the breakpoint, sir? Breakpoint we don't need to write, sir. Breakpoint place what is the highest width of the device at the measurement we have to specify here. Suppose 700 pixels. And what is meaning, sir? You are informing this is my device width. As per the width, it is going to adjusting the content. Otherwise, you can also write the 900 pixels. My device width is 900 pixels. Another option in that one. So why this one specification, sir? You are clearly informing to system, sir, this is the maximum width of my device. As per the width, you can adjust the content. For first two cases, we are not given, sir. It takes automatically the device width. What is the device width, sir? Depends upon the current working system. These are the predefined classes. Generally, we have to apply to the do's and tag. Mostly, the first one we are using, sir. Majority of the scenarios, first one we are going to using. So this one first apply to divs and tag, one of these three, and then start the programming. A divs and tag inside, remaining tags you can place. A better way and original style of the Bootstrap. If I design the programming without these, sir, a guidelines violation. Program is executing, sir, but guidelines violation. The testing programs, sample programs, okay, there is no problem. But original concept, this we have to use. I'll show on some practical proof here. So this is our Facebook designing, right? Here we started the global container. Their own classes at that one, Facebook own classes. This is division. Every division tag inside some content is available. You can see that this heading placed in one content. Here we have one text box. Text box placed inside the division tag. You see that. Next, I have the password box. See that password box also placed inside the division tag. Next, I have the submit button. Button also placed inside the division tag. Next, I have the forget password anchor tag. Anchor tag also placed inside the division tag. Next, I have some create account. Create account also designed inside the division tag. Every item they use a separate division tag. See that one. But they are not using the classes what you explained, sir. They designed their own classes, sir. They designed their own classes. The company, others are using that one. Companies, they are developing their own only. How to write the program, sir? Regular program, yes, sir. No special. Mana routine HTML program. Write your regular HTML program only. That address is available. Copy paste in the header section and start the coding part. So once again, I'm saying that one small point. These are the addresses we copied from the Bootstrap website only, right? This is your CSS file name, bootstrap.min.css. If you open this file, sir, the CSS program, you will get the predefined selectors. So thousands of selectors are available. Already they designed the thousands of selectors. Bootstrap and the same thing. Already selectors available. Identify the selector, apply in the program. Identify the selector, apply in the program. Nothing to develop your own. That is the concept what I said. We don't have nothing specially. You have to know the basic point of how to link up the library, how to identify the class, and how to apply this one. In the remaining part, routine process. There are thousands of classes. So identify yourself and apply yourself. But we don't know how to apply it, sir. For that getting an idea, I'm showing the couple of programs. Can we see the class CSS source code what they developed, sir? Sir, we can see it. This URL available kada. So copy this URL, directly paste in the browser. This is URL. Yeah. This is main file. This file supporting so many files available. And when you have the free time or patience, you downloaded one folder. We downloaded some folder. Open this folder. Check the CSS files, sir. What are the CSS files available? Go for the CSS files and try to open that file. This is our CSS file, bootstrap.css. Open this file, sir. And inside that, lot of selectors are available. You can see that one. How many lines, sir? Hey, after all, 12,000 lines only. Hey, simple. Line number visible, huh? Simple, 12,000 lines kada. It is one file, not all file, it's one file. And one more file is also available here. And you can check here also. Some small lines only linking part only available. Remaining all of the supporting files. Remaining all of the supporting files. At 12,000 lines inside what we have? Selectors they defined. They defined the selectors. While defining of the selectors, some selectors direct selectors available, some selectors jQuery interacted selectors available, some selectors developed with JavaScript also, some selectors developed with combination of proper logics also, mixing available. There is some only styles applying available, some logical operations are. When you click on the button, the closing automatically opening, coding part also available. They already developed this all are. So finally, are you going to developing anything in Bootstrap? Your own? In Bootstrap, are you going to developing anything your own or what we are doing? Existing styles, a selector name identifying and applying to our programs. Documentation also available in this website. A selectors documentation also available here, sir. So if you can refer the documentation once and you will also get the idea. And now see, so the very first for easy understanding, I'm going to showing how to create the different colorful buttons in Bootstrap. Buttons, mana login buttons, search buttons, submit buttons, different colorfully how to design it. I'm going to show you. Designing in the sense HTML part we are writing, sir. CSS part already developed, got classes we are identifying and applying here. What are the guidelines I've given already a few minutes back? I'm following or not, I'm highlighting here. See that. This is the first guideline. And this is the second guideline. Meta viewport. And first guideline is we are going to using the latest version of the HTML. And this is setting the viewport. These two for better results. Next, I'm not downloaded anything, sir. I'm directly using the live URL. I'm using directly a live URL. http cdn.jsdeliver.net boom. This is my file, bootstrap.css. Link up is done. We are using live URL. So while running of this program, you should be connected to internet compulsory. Almost 8 buttons available here. See that one. 8 buttons. So first button heading is login. Second button heading submit. Third button heading search, danger, warning, information, light, dark. Captions are button captions. Okay, do one thing, sir. Except this class part, remaining we know from a regular HTML program. Our class equals to BTN, BTM primary. What is this BTN? We'll try to guess it, sir, and try to identify. What is that BTN? What is this one? Huh? Hey, what is this here? What is the class name here? So, yeah, discreasing until this is only. But clearly class attribute visible, కదా? Button. What is this BTN? And what is this BTN hyphen primary? Another class. Two classes they mapped. So BTN is common for all buttons. Observed? Do one thing. Our original faces now it will comes. Our original faces. These are our original faces. For this we are going to apply. But actually here already some style applied already. Already some style applied. Actually buttons ki black color border not comes. Gray color border is comes. Or how the button border applied ante maybe tag selector they developed already. How can say sir? We have link up file kada. In that link up file button selector available. Remove this one also. Original buttons. Actual buttons. But now I'm linking with one external CSS. In that external CSS, button selector available. Button selector automatically applying or not because of it is a tag selector. So tag selectors, we don't need any mapping operation. They are automatically going to applying. See that applied or not? Applied. Padding applied. Border applied. Border color is also applied. This is already one selector applied. Are you designed any CSS code now? No, but already style is applied. Next one, sir. These I need some colorful buttons. Colorful buttons, we have to use these things. First, I'm going to writing one selector only, button. And one class I am applying. What we have inside that, sir? Open the file and check it. I shown the one CSS file. Open the file. In that file, where the selector available, identify that and check it. Applied a style. Background color removed. Background color removed. Next one, sir. Background color removed plus font size also changed. Next, second class I'm applying, sir. BTN hyphen dark. The dark color button is going to creating. Done? అయిపోయింది అంతే బూట్ స్ట్రాప్ అంటే దట్ ఓన్ అక్కడ ఉన్నాయి తీసుకొచ్చి తినండి అంతే బఫెట్ నో కదా బఫే సిస్టమ్ బఫెట్ వెజ్ బఫెట్ నాన్ వెజ్ బఫెట్ 400 items available. Which one you require? Go and select and batting it. What you observed? What you observed in this process? Are you designed any extra code for creating of that button? Actually, like the single line also we are not designed. Reason is single line HTML line. Additionally, you are not designed any code, but style is applied. So I want to see what is the logic in this BTN and BTN dark mode, sir. A CSS file available here, sir. Open that CSS file. Where it is available, sir? 12,000 lines checking and it's impossible, sir. Go for the find option. And search find option is available here, that one. What is that? BTN hyphen dark. Dot BTN hyphen dark. Dot BTN hyphen dark. You can write curly bracket also. So this is the thing what they developed, sir. Dark button designing code. Color, busy color, border cover, hover busy color, border color, shadow. So lot of properties they designed and lot of properties they applied. Next one, I'm going to searching one more thing also, sir. Hyphen BTN. Button also I'm searching. Only button, it button check. Ah, this is BTN. What is this, sir? It may be group selector, sir. This is the group selector. So this is your record. The original BTN color, sir. Yesterday, what I said, if you don't like, you can make some customizations. I said, Gada. When you're using the live links, you can't modify the source code because you're accessing from server, Gada. So you know that. But if you download it, then modification possible. But I open source code, Gada. Go for that line, remove the existing colors and write your own colors. That's meaningless talk with it. 99% nobody changing that one. First, moreover, changes when it is possible if you download it only. When you use the live links, changes are not possible. Then why we have to change it? Huh? Okay. Now similarly, the same class we are going to applying here, sir. Button, light color. One common property, button. Common properties, button, sir. So they are applying the multiple classes, sir. First I'm applying one class. What is the impact? We'll get it. We'll identify that one. Already button tag selector applied. Now second one class selector also applying. Button tag selector applied. Now button class also applying. Button applied and then class also applied. First class applied. Now primary. Button primary color. Next button secondary color. Button success. And when you want to show the messages to users in success mode message, you can prefer this one. Operation success. Next, if you want to show any error messages to users, use the danger. And a reasonable name they designed అది. Danger means not red. Danger inside they used the color red because danger always represented with red color. So symbolically they used that one. But you are going to attending some marriage functions, sir. And ఇక్కడ కొద్ది conditions apply. Except some group of people, so generally I'm talking. అంటే nuns, మన church fathers, other than these I'm talking. You are going to attending a marriage function. Are you going to wearing the white and white saree? Complete white. No, Gada? You? No. Colorful dress we are going to using. Next, you are going to attending some one of your relative person to show your condolences because some person passed away. You want to show your condolences. Now colorfully makeup, half saree, gagra, full bangles from here to here, mehendi. Going, try once. Not correct together. So that is the thing. And for every situation, some colors preferable, some type of dressing preferable, and we have some symptoms, right? Like that, they also designed like that. Next, button hyphen warning. And this is the warnings given color. You can also observe in your regular website, so error message comes with red color. Any warnings are available, almost blue, yellow color or orange color it will comes. Blue color, మన regular buttons mostly. And information passing to user. Next one, light and dark. So 8 buttons ready, right? 8 or 7? 8 buttons are ready. Here already H also available. See this one. For every button, H also implemented. But you observed or not, I don't know that one. H4 impact also available. I think projector not you could hear it very clearly visible. See that. So for 8 lines, simply we designed 8 buttons. But now you are designing one login page. Username or password. In that login button, blue and white color, like as Facebook button, you required. Why? You can use directly this one in your login button. Directly you'll get the login button with your blue and white color. Blue color, no, don't want to choose any of these colors. This basic concept of the bootstrap, sir. Purely CSS, JavaScript combinations of background available. But previously everything designed by us, now simple code. So you have already some HTML and CSS. I already explained, sir, few minutes back, how to check the live URL. Not shown, how to open the CSS file live URL. I explained it already. మరి నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలేదంటే Vinay already shown, sir, few minutes back. మరి so easy, but small complication available. Coding wise, I think easy. The only problem remembering that name, sir. You have 12,000 lines of code available. 12,000 lines of code, easily 1,500 selectors available. Kada? Every selector, if you take average 10 lines, 1,200 selectors available, obviously. The more than 1,000 selectors available. On a long back, we designed one small application. In that application documentation, around we developed the 60 to 70 lines of code we designed. For the 60, 70 lines of code, so more than thousands of selectors are available. Selectors names remembering a little bit of problem. Then always keep it your documentation along with you. Remembering tough property, that is the best option. Once I'm removing this link, sir, on Excel CSS link available with the live URL. This is the file name. I'm just deleting this one and run the program. Mana Purana buttons are came. So bootstrap basic concept understand. It is just for styling of the components in the simplest and easiest way without our efforts. You get a remembering problem available, sir. That is the only small problem. Sir, they have the thousands of selectors, but thousands of selectors we are not using daily. Hardly 100, 150 selectors. Most reasons are mostly we need the same type of designing. In that, these are the 10 selectors, sir. We have the 30 dresses, but daily 30 dresses using. No, gada. For 10, 15 dresses, daily we are available. 10, 15 remembering is more enough for us. Remaining occasional party wear, festivals wear, that is different. Daily using dresses remembering is more enough for us. So in this program, I just trying to provide an awareness how the bootstrap is linking by using this link tag. And once the linking is success, inside this CSS file, your selectors are available. The CSS file name I already mentioned couple of times, bootstrap.min.css. If you open that file, all linking statements available. The original source code where it is available, sir, into bootstrap.css inside original source code available. This one contains so many programs available in folder na, that all programs integration program is this one anamata. This doesn't contains your original CSS. 15 minutes back I opened two files, sir. Bootstrap.css opened one file. One file I opened the bootstrap.css. This is contains your original styles. But we are linking another one, sir. This is integration program. Because I got a lot of bootstrap programs. But users, they want to use all the bootstrap programs directly in the program, sir. Only typical process, sir. A complex process, sir. Example, but you are going to including 10 header files in C language, sir. Or 10 header files all over the project you required. But hash include stdio.h, hash include sponio.h, hash include math.h, hash include string.h, hash include alloc.h, hash include iostream.h. The first program. Well, second program, all files required, sir. Third program, all files required. What we have to do? Every program you have to write that link of files. Instead of that, a linking statements write in one program. Link this program in your program. What happens? Same you can follow in your Java also, sir. When you're developing the Java, every program of 5 to 10 packages I have to use, sir. Import something, import something, import something. Instead of writing the importing in every program, write all these import statements in one program, write the single program name in the top of the file. Easy process, sir. That linker file is that one. So bootstrap.css file, it is an integration file. Min.css. This is an integrated program. Inside the styles definitions not available. Bootstrap developmentation, how many programs they developed separately. These all the programs integration code only available here. No styles are found here. At 12,000 lines we found in this program, sir. First file you have the 12,000 lines. Second file I have only 9 lines. This original program contains only 9 lines. 9 lines linking of the all the files here. That we are going to using. Why they are providing, sir? A very easy process, sir. Otherwise you will get the headache also. But 9 programs to 10 programs are available. You have to link up in the certain order. And these 10 lines will link every program you have to develop. Unnecessary complication increasing and length increasing also. Then only a linking statements also they developed in one program, they're writing this. So this we are writing. This contains the configuration of the integration of the other programs, and this contains the original styles. So that's all, sir. First program. Except these pronunciations, nothing special in the program. And the next time I'm going to showing how to show the alerts. Are you observed how many files I linked here? In this program, bootstrap files, how many I linked here? Only one, but theory part I said 4. Why one only I linked? Because in this program I targeted only applying of the styles only. I don't want any coding support. I don't want any logical support. Next program I am going to creating some alerts, alert boxes. We know alert function in JavaScript, sir. JavaScript alert to just a dummy, sir, and without makeup. Now these alerts, some colorful alerts comes, different colors with different sizes, so height, and inside that closing buttons also come automatically. JavaScript alert without any makeup. That is without any makeup. These all are the fully makeup. Remember of the JavaScript alert, ask one question. Observe the alert box and try to identify carefully. And a few candidates identified that it's a user tax one, but no button hitting on HTML concept. For that, we are going to apply the styles. And that all Bootstrap created the so many types of alerts. In this second program, our remaining library is also required. But first program, without the remaining libraries, it's working perfectly, sir. Zalar I'm not using. This is only I used here because I need only styles. But now why you need the JavaScript, sir? Alert box inside close button available. When I click on the close button, this alert box should be, huh? When I click on the close button, alert box should be closed. Okay. The alert box should be disappears. Click the button available, on click available. When you click on that one, some logic is running. This tag is going to deleting, and the background DOM also available. Now, just an idea purpose, I'm showing here. See that. Okay, book my show one website available here. I'll try to open that one, my show. This is one of the pop-up boxes. This is one of the pop-up box. Okay, change it. Leave it. This is also one of the pop-up box. Is suddenly coming, all the boxes are the pop-up boxes, pop-up windows. That is designed in the popper laws. One script I said yesterday, popper scripting, and that is a specialization for this one. Actually, I opened for the last box, the alert box. And one blue color bot strip available. See that cookies strip. When I click on get got it, then box is going to disappear. The alert box, our alert box, this alert box is so much difference available. See that one. And how this colorful is coming, sir? One, you can write your own logic. Otherwise, use the Bootstrap already developed classes. Observed, all comes CSS file, another JavaScript, and then again another JavaScript. Previous example, first one only I used, sir. Now I'm going to importing the JavaScripts also. Copy pasting, nothing to do. Copy and paste. So, it 2 lines could you try to observe, Amma? So, what you identified? One container inside, a couple of lines messaging, and after that one button. What is the heading of the button? Huh? Heading, button heading. Huh? X into mark, close mark. It is not X. So, the closing button is there here. What is this? That X, this X and matter. Close button symbol. But how it is converting into close button, sir? We have classes together here. The classes are going to display. So first we'll run the program, sir. What I designed, you will also get an idea. So colorful alert box with different closing options. Naresh IT also you watch it the same type of thing. The last one, a close place what we have here there, got it available. These type of boxes, so some websites you are accessed అనుకుంటా. అంటే mostly you are using apps కాబట్టి maybe it's not visible, sir. Websites అయితే will get these type of boxes. So click on close. But which one is runs background? JavaScript is executed background. But that JavaScript also are you developed? No, already we linked together. What is the JavaScript URL here? This one, bootstrap.min.js. External JavaScript, bootstrap.min.js. Doubt, but is it really original JavaScript program? Is it real original JavaScript? And inside this file, original JavaScript is there? Bootstrap.min.js ka file name. If I open that file, I can find JavaScript logic. No, that is also integration file. Min.js. 5 minutes back, I explained min.css and bootstrap.min.css integration file. Now bootstrap.min.js. This is integration file. How many external JavaScript files they developed? That all files integrated in this program. Original JavaScript programs, sir. Original JavaScript programs you can find in the JS folder. These are the JavaScript programs. Not only JavaScript, some of the programs, Ajax queries, jQuery programs available, some of the Popper core programs also available, all integrated internally. What is this file name? Bootstrap.js. This is official file and link of file is bootstrap.min.js. Try to open. You have only link of code only. Few lines say that also. How many lines? 7 lines. Link of code. Same information I provided in our few minutes back CSS also. They also design the functions only, sir. Now original JavaScript what's current? This is original JavaScript. So this is our actual JavaScript, sir. So ये क्या है? Which type of function? Named functions. Inside that if conditions, for in loops, so something they used to. But the code is not. Just 4,500 lines. Simple, sir. 4,500 lines. So once again, I'm asking the question, sir. So bootstrap.css, bootstrap.min.css, bootstrap.js, bootstrap.min.js. 4 questions I'm asking, give the fastly answer with very clear sound, loud sound. If you give the proper answers, sir, one more example, I'll show that one. No, sir, last example. Current explanation, last example. Bootstrap.css, what it contains? CSS code. And your selectors are linking. Linking another. You said linking. Selectors. Sure. Approximately how many lines? Bootstrap.cs min.css. What it contains? Linking. And already they linked with each program. And that program directly using in our program. It contains around 6 to 7 lines, not much more. 8 lines, okay, 8 lines. And now bootstrap.js, the original JavaScript code is available. Around 4,500 lines of code available. And bootstrap.mini.js, it also contains the other linking programs of the jQuery, JavaScript, and Popper programs. But while developing of the programs, we have to use the first one or second one. Second one we have to use. No, sir, I interested first one only, sir. But the second file inside a 8 lines code is there, na? That you have to write in every program. Reason, అక్కడ almost 10 to 15 CSS programs available, sir. A 10 to 15 CSS programs should be applied to our program. They're already interlinked and developed inside the one. So when you want to skip this line, sir, inside this file are 78 lines program. Every day, every example you have to write. And if you are not interested to use this file, sir, I want to use the first file only, sir. Super, sir. In this also we have 8 lines of code. These 8 lines, every example, every program daily you have to write. Want both अच्छा बहुत सुंदर है program also. అది very long process కదా sir, lengthy process. Then only without struggling the developers, they already linked the linking code developed in one file. They are saying just use this file in our program. Very systematically and simplest way to build the concept like that. So while using of the bootstrap, don't go for direct programs. You should go for always minest files only we have to use. Okay. Now comes to the program. So this is the alert. Click on this close button. But designing coming from the BootStrap in the sense CSS. And these events are performed by the JavaScript and jQuery's background. When you click on that one, they are going to disappear. Close. What I said, that also I'm going to showing one more practically. Go to our alerts concept. The only CSS file I'm linking, sir. Remaining JavaScript programs I'm deleting. Only CSS is linked. JavaScript library is not linked. Still program design. Click on the buttons. And when you click on this one, they are calling some event. Where is that event, sir? In bootstrap.js. But the file integration to your project is not done. So then only no buttons are going to responding here. But you need the response from these buttons. Then use the JavaScript libraries also. This is our JavaScript library. Now refresh. Click it. It's working. Very simple, sir. If you want to design your own or customized and attractive alert boxes, you just follow the 2 lines of the code. Just 2 lines. One, create one container first. Without container, box not comes. If you are interested, you can see that one. I'm not using any container, just a button only I used it, sir. So containers generally required. So division, class, alert primary, fade, show. The total 4 classes they linked. 4 classes we linked. Why you linked the 4 classes, sir? For getting of this type of appearance. Okay. So for getting of these type of appearance, I linked that 4 classes. Suppose we get a alert primary available kada, alert secondary also available. Like last example, 8 classes I shown the primary, secondary, warning, danger, sexes, that all the things again comes here also here. When you change that primary or secondary or danger, alert box colors are going to change. Colors changing except that nothing else. So first class alert, second class alert primary, third class fade, fourth class is the show. Next, see that all concepts are used the same thing, only small changes. First one primary alert, second one danger alert, third one informational alert. Remaining classes same or not? Then only colors changing. Then only colors changing. If you use all of the primaries are all comes into the same color because same classes and same CSS also. Colors changing, for the colors changing, they're trying to use the different CSS. Next, every division tag inside, we are creating one button set. A button inside, I used the X. That X symbol we are taking as a close button. How X alphabet displaying like as a close button, sir? For that, this class and this one is going to helping for us. They already designed that one and it is appearing like as a close button. When I click on this close button, sir, in JavaScript inside that function available, the function is going to triggering. A 4000 lines la close button logic also available. Same pattern, one division tag, one button. One division tag, one button. What I used here, sir, and ampersand times I used HTML special character that is going to displaying the small x. This x to the difference available, see that. I have to use x only as sir. Then only the one time x I used, n times small x I used, and another time I used the close. Heading your interest. Which word you typed, that word is going to displaying, sir. Which data you typed inside the button, the data is going to displaying here. So here also what we designed, sir. Our HTML tags we developed ourselves silently, and after that we applied the lot of classes here. So alert class, alert primary class, fade classes, show class. A fade class, what it is doing, I don't know, sir. Bootstrap and already developed together. If you are really interested, I already explained the procedure. Open the 12,000 lines code. Where this class is available, search that one. Observe the properties, what they define. Except that nothing to do, sir. And really, if you are interested, what are the logic they developed in background, sir? Open the bootstrap.css file. Find it where this class is available and observe the logic. Few minutes back, I already shown the procedure. Buttons we check together. Next one, I'm going to showing the carousel, sir. Carousel. Repeat question available? Or something madam is came, I don't know the name. This is carousel. Image sliding, sir. That is called as the carousel. And a similar type of thing we developed in JavaScript. Do you remember? Timer functions like design the same program, but not this much of effective. Simply images changing. Not like this. We designed our own logic, sir. How to slide the images. Maybe you are all absent, I think, but I explained that program. What we are doing, sir, and know our Java code, know our JavaScript, know our CSS. For preparing of all these things, already classes designed in the Bootstrap, already designed in Bootstrap. Buttons also you can place it, sir. Left arrow key, right arrow key available kada? No kada? When you click on this button, images are scrolling like this. And here we have some dots also kada? And how many images available? That number of dots available. Total 6 images available. 6 dots available. Which image currently displaying the dot highlighting special color like this? Observed or not observed? Some websites say the dot place a dash available. Small dashes comes, hyphen symbol. That also we can design. Ready-made మన own కాదు కదా. Our own అయితే we have to think about that one. Ready-made కదా. All libraries linking required as sir. हाँ जी, all libraries linking required. Same, all libraries. Why all libraries, sir? But event handling available kada. When I click on this one, my event is running. Image is scrolling. And if I click directly any of these buttons, sir, not supporting. Okay. But actually some of the websites, if you click on the second dot, directly second image is comes. But Flipkart not working like that. So when I click on any of the button, a particular position image I have to display. The coding part compulsory. Without these left arrow key, right arrow key, that buttons are, but only CSS enough. Only CSS enough. No, the buttons also required, sir, and the JavaScript also required. So without buttons, if I want to design the program, just link up with only CSS. I'll show it, see that. A picture. At regular intervals, picture is going to changing. I think 3 seconds I'm going to maybe. But a dash is available. Observed. I use it dashes. But left arrow key is also available. See that? When I click on this one, sir, image should be changed. But why it is not changing, sir? JavaScript removed. I removed the JavaScript, so that is the impact. CSS library only linked. And why it is not scrolling? Image is not available. Huh? Similar the asterisk. Flipkart, how it is scrolling image, our image also scrolling in the same manner. But it's working as sir. Huh, sir? When I click it, immediately it says show. Normally it's 2 seconds, but I'm continuously clicking other, so continuously it is changing. I'll go to the left side and click it. And here come to the dash and click any of the dash. Working. Flipkart, this option not working. Our program it is working. What we did, sir? Nothing to do. We just applied the classes. See the program, sir. This is the heading, main heading, and this is the main container, the major container, and inside that sub container. A sub container inside one ID. compulsory as our ID. A bottom dashes if you required it, ID compulsory. Bottom dashes I don't need, sir. No need of the ID. You can remove it, no problem. Next, class equals to carousel and slide. Two classes we linked up that one. And data ID equals to carousel. And data interval equals to 2000 milliseconds. This all predefined, sir. Only this our choice. Demo programmer's interest to 2000 programmer interest. Remaining as it is you have to use. If you are interested, not interested. If you change any of these names, sir, your program doesn't work. So demo place you can write your own name. 2000 place you can write your own name. Main container inside, this is the sub container. These logics wise are, these logics designed for the dashes. This code I designed for the 4 dashes available at the bottom, that one. Carousel indicators. A bottom dash is available. That is called as the indicator. Which image is currently sliding, that image is highlighting that one. What is this, sir? On a UL tag set, unordered list. Unordered list inside 4 LI tags are available. 4 LI tags. Can I take the order list, sir? Your interest, anything okay. Your interest, anything okay. Tag not important. In mapping class is important. Because if you take the any tag, after applying the class, their complete look is changing. So you can take any tag. 4 paragraphs also you can take, no problem. Data target equals to what I mentioned as demo. What is the data target, sir? Whenever click on the dash, whenever click on that dash or dot, whatever it may be. Next image you have to display. Which image are on which dot I clicked, that image I have to display. Where it is displaying, sir? Hash demo. What is the demo, sir? ID of the my carousel container. So when you click on the dash, the corresponding image is displaying inside this division tag. This is the mapping to this. If you click on any of the 4 dashes, the 4 images should be displayed inside the my container division tag. This is mapping, sir. A dash is not required. This code is also you don't need, sir. And this ID is also not necessary. Who are not interested the indicators, remove the 6 lines of code. 100% it works. See that, I'll show it. So remove this part and remove this part. Done. Working or not working? What is missing? I got 4 dots missing. See that? That's what. How many options you need? That number of lines code increasing. That's all. Left arrow key, right arrow key available. That is I am not explaining. The bottom dash is missing. Now add it. Came on now. But when I click on this one, sir, the third image is going to open. Where is the target? We said demo. I said this is main division tag. So inside the main division tag, your image is going to open. Similar type of option in anchor tags we have the target equals to ID and we mentioned. Hyperlinks, target equals to self, target equals to blank, target equals to ID name you can mention. Come back. So these lines of code, why I designed, the reason I explained. Why these names only we are using, sir? I predefined, sir. What is the meaning of this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, sir? Indexing, sir. Slide indexing. How the system recognizing the images, sir? And 0th image, first image, second image, and third image. Indexing of the images, sir. So when I click on the first dash, open the 0th image. When I click on the second dash, open the first image. How the system knows this is 0, 1, 2, 3, sir? Remember, generally indexes are starts with the 0. How system knows this is the 0 or not, sir? As per your designing order. Get a 4 image observe. 4 image tags. A.jpg 0th image, B.jpg second image, C.jpg third image, D.jpg fourth image. Our point of view, the 1, 2, 3, 4. System point of view, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this one leave it, sir. You have some idea about the DOM. Document dot images. What it is written? Images object, collection object है కదా? Images collection object only కదా it returns. What is the size of collection object? 4. What is the indexes of images? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only కదా? Some of the examples we also use it like this. Yeah, we already worked together. Okay, indicators code is this one, and we have to write. Can I change this numbers as well? If you change the numbers, so clicking button different to displaying image different. So I mentioned 0. Who is the 0, sir? Into A.jpg display. Suppose if I write the 3 here, sir. When I click on the first dash, displaying image is D.jpg display. See that one? Last image, first dogs, second butterfly, third baby, fourth one is girl, right? And now I'm clicking on the first dot. What it display? Which image displaying? Fourth image here. But where I clicked? First dot. But displaying image is fourth. And the index is working. And the system knows that this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. And if you don't know, I can't do anything. But system, they have full clarity. Now these are the sliding images, sir. Actually, you have the so many lines of code, sir. But you could carefully observe that one same code copy pasted. Same code copy pasted and changed the image name. Observed or not? Container. What is this, sir? My carousel's inner. The carousel inside which content you want to place, a content is going to starting. Those all are the images. But previously you already designed, sir. Previously what I designed, carousel I designed. Container, now content. What is my first item, sir? A.jpg. What is my second item, sir? B.jpg. What is my third item, sir? C.jpg. What is my fourth item, sir? D.jpg. How many items you want to display or how many images you want to display? Write that number of division tags here. One more carousel item. Image, sir. E.jpg. But I don't have E.jpg, sir. I'm writing just. The first image, how you design the code, same code, just copy paste it because those all are the items. The total we used the 3 classes, sir. One is carousel inner, and second one is the carousel item, and third one is the active. Active compulsory, yes, sir. Coming to that point, this active class compulsory you have to use. Where I have to use, sir? There are 4 images available. Use any of the 4 images that active. Reasons are, which image inside active class you mapped, when you are loading the page, that image first displayed. That image first displaying. So I placed here active first image A.jpg. Refresh. So load the page. Which image is first image dog? We'll change it. So change this active to third item. C. C in the sense baby. Huh? Sorry, sorry. Which is the starting image? Baby. That is the active class purposes. Sir. From which image you want to start the sliding, go to that image and add the additional property active. Have four images. So these four images are going to sliding. How it is going to sliding, sir? And with the option of the this one slide and with the interval of the 2000 seconds. Okay, you have some more codes at bottom. This is also your choice. Interested, write it. Otherwise, leave it. So what is this code, sir? Because left arrow key, right arrow key available kada. This left arrow key and this right arrow key. These arrow keys designing code is this one. Anchor tag, carousel control preview, previous. Carousel control previous button. And this is carousel control next button. This arrow key previous button, sir. This arrow key next button. So this code designing this arrow key and this code is designing this arrow key. This is the previous button and this is the next button. We mentioned here, see that one. One class ready already with the name of carousel control preview. When you use this class, it is going to showing the data. And another class is also ready here. A red color, so a blue color, so everything predefined only. Except one. What is that except one, sir? And demo. What is the demo, sir? And my super container ID. The first do's and tag ID. Why here also use the ID, sir? Because like these indicators, when I click on this arrow key, image should be changed. The changed image should be displayed on the same do's and tag only. So target we are setting here. And we have one more option, sir, here. To slide along with, we can also use the carousel fade also we can use. And one more effect is comes. Now images mana door windows sliding the door that is going on. Slide and why we call surrender windows doors sliding option. Now it is going to fading option like this. Another option sliding. Previous one, this one difference observed. You just remove this fade. I don't want that fading option, sir. And fade in the sense from one image, another image is coming like this. We can observe. That image changing into this one. And the first image disappears, second image is going to display. And the previous option what I shown, sir, and మన slide show when windows door windows how it is going to rotating like this. Right. But same type of operation, if you want to develop your own logic, sir, suppose. Possible, everything is possible, but first a CSS will get around 50 to 60 lines of code, sir. Next, lot of JavaScript functions required. Left arrow key, one function required. Right arrow key, one function required. Four indicators, so four functions required. Well, again, easily we'll get around 100 lines of code. It will comes perfectly with all the options you want. Only image sliding అయితే 10 to 15 lines is enough without any special effect. Like that, if you want to design it, easily 100 lines of code required. But without writing those all the codes, we just identify the existing classes and try to implement it in our program. So once again, I'm clearly mentioning, sir, I'm just providing an idea and awareness about the BootStrap. So, suppose what I developed myself, sir, here, with three programs observed, what I developed myself, HTML code only developed myself, right? If I shown 100 examples also, same thing only, HTML code, aja, apply. Next, balance things we'll see on tomorrow session, sir. And tomorrow, finishing point. So tomorrow is the last day, and tomorrow I'm going to showing one small information also. Yes, tomorrow I'll focus on 2 points, sir. 2 points. That is two small topics available that I'm going to showing tomorrow. In that, one of the topic is how to launch our own website. But I designed this program. This program I want to convert into my own website, and I want to allow to access by the all. Adi tomorrow one major information on matter. Another small point also explained. So tomorrow the end card. Okay, thank you all.